The Slaters' arrival in Albert Square shocked everyone as they first rallied to raise money for Kat's funeral, until they found out she was actually alive. It has since been revealed that Big Mo Harris had been trying to raise the money to pay back a boss called Annie, and her attempts have not been going well at all. On tonight's episode, Mo was approached by a rather scary man who insisted she pay £5,000 by the end of the week to Annie, while he sinisterly smiled at Stacy's son in his pushchair. So Mo decided to put her thinking cap on and make some money to pay back the boss, no matter what the cost. Suddenly she emerges dressed in a red headscarf, and walks into the living room with sultry red lighting and a laptop. All the Slaters, Jean, Stacy, and Kat, assumed she was doing something explicit on the laptop, with Kat declaring that her grandmother was a dirty cow. Eventually, as Jean heard the loud, moaning noises coming from the living room, she had to intervene, deciding the only way to stop Mo was to turn off the Wi-Fi. Jean quickly turned off the electricity, and Mo was forced to tell her client that there was a problem. As the family burst in, they realized that Mo's groans were her fake attempt to convince the client that she was connecting with the other side. Fans thought this was absolutely hilarious and could not get over the shocking sounds they were hearing. EastEnders airs weekdays from 8 p.m. on BBC One.